How to find stored files and export log files. Part 1. How to find stored files. First, power up the StellaVita. Connect your computer to StellaVita's Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Open the File Explorer after connecting to StellaVita's Wi-Fi. Enter the IP address. Enter username and password if needed. Now you can find the internal storage files of StellaVita. Same steps for macOS. First, connect to StellaVita's Wi-Fi. Connect to the server by entering the IP address. Enter username and password for the first time of connection. Then we can find all the stored files here. Part 2. How to export log files. First, connect your phone to StellaVita's Wi-Fi and go to Settings. Go to MISC. Scroll down and find Log. Choose the files and click Download. Then go to Files app in your phone. You can find the downloaded logs there. On Android devices, follow the same steps.